and welcome to Legal Talk. For decades, China has relied on national development plans to guide its economic and social progress. These five-year plans have become almost legendary, transforming China from a largely agricultural economy into the world's second largest economy. Think high-speed rail network, massive urbanization, and poverty alleviation on an unprecedented scale. All of it mapped out years in advance. But here's the thing. Until now, the entire planning system operated largely without a dedicated legal framework. It worked through policy documents, administrative procedures, and political consensus. Effective? Absolutely. Codified in law? Not quite. And that's where this new law comes in. The National Development Planning Law draft systematically codifies decades of practical experiences into a formal legal structure. It's about institutionalizing what China has learned, the successes, the adjustments, the refinements, and giving it the force of law. What does this actually mean? There are three key things. First, strategic consistency. The law reinforces the guiding role of national development plans across all levels of government. When a plan is approved, it becomes legally binding, not just a policy suggestion. Second, governance modernization. By formalizing the planning process, China is strengthening its role of law in economic governance. This is part of the broader push to modernize the national governance system and capacity. Third, predictability. For businesses, investors, and international partners, a legalized planning framework means greater transparency and stability in long-term policy direction. Well, critics often misunderstand China's planning system as rigid central control, but this law actually represents the opposite. It's about making the system more transparent, more accountable, and more legally grounded. As China navigates complex global challenges, economic restructuring, technological competition, climate transition, having a robust legal foundation for long-term strategic planning isn't just a bureaucratic housekeeping. It's essential infrastructure for national development. The message is clear. China is building legal frameworks for an era of high-quality, sustainable development.